Tell me when it is.
You're at 100 right there.
Okay, cool. Hey fellow backyard boyers, Nick here. So the majority of you voted that I should do a 100-pound Turkish inspired bow. So here it is. Hot off the bow press today, and I weighed it. It is coming in at a little over 100 pounds at 28 inches. So here it is. The build will be coming. I'm going to be finishing this a little bit. But here it is so far, just so you guys can see. And it is a 100-pound bow. I have not drawn a 100-pound bow or shot a 100-pound bow in quite a while. So you might need to give me a little time to get up to speed on that. Alright, let's go. What's it at?
I think you're
What's it at?
like 110, almost.
Okay, 110. Tell me when it is.
You're at 100 right there.
Okay, cool. So here it is. Once this bow's finished up, I'll let you guys know, and then when the video is finished and everything's done, we'll post it up here. So as always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Before I go, thank you to everybody who's been supporting the channel through Patreon, through purchasing my books, and my shirts and other merchandise on Teespring. So there's links to all of that in the description below. I'll see you guys next time.